Welcome to Geeks Amaze. Today we have brought you the Udemy and Eduzia premium courses for free, which you can avail them by applying the coupon that is provided in the description. So let's get started. The first course is about DevOps Essentials. So if you are willing to learn about the basics of DevOps, then this course is for you. You can get to know about the basic concepts about DevOps by enrolling in the course. So please enroll it if you are interested before it expires by applying the coupon that is provided in the description. The second course is personal budgeting. So if you are willing to learn about budgeting and finance, then you can go through this course. It has all the topics covered from basic to advanced level. So it is also providing a certification of completion, and it has lifetime access. So if you are interested, you can enroll in it. The third is advanced Node.js programming. So the Node.js programming has advanced concepts. So if you are willing to learn those advanced concepts, you can enroll in this course and get full-time access and certificate for free, and you can apply the coupon that is provided. The fourth course is a rapid web WordPress blog. So if you are willing to learn about WordPress, and if you are willing to build a website using WordPress, then this course is for you. So you can enroll in this course by applying the coupon that is provided. It has lifetime access and also has a certificate of completion. The fifth course is learn photo editing with Photoshop. So if you are willing to learn about Photoshop and photo editing, then you can enroll in this course and gain knowledge of how to edit the photos very easily. It also has the resources that are provided, and once you enroll, it provides a lifetime access. The sixth course is brought to you by Eduzia. So this course is about CSS3. The CSS3 is generally used for styling of the websites. So if you are willing to learn about website development and website styling, you can enroll in this course. First you need to sign up for this course. So you can sign up either by Google, Facebook or GitHub or LinkedIn, or by providing the username, email ID and password. So after signing up for free, you will get a confirmation email to your email. So by clicking on this link, your accounts will get activated, so you can log in with the credential and enroll in this course. So you can enroll in this course by clicking on enroll. The course is about HTML. So you can learn about HTML website development by enrolling in this course. So if you are willing to learn HTML, you can go through this course. The Python programming. So it is one of the most famous programming languages in the present world. So Python being programming is mainly used in machine learning, data science and artificial intelligence and whatnot. So if you are willing to learn about Python and ever thinking to get started with coding, then it is highly suggested to go with Python. So you can enroll in this course by clicking the enroll button. Then next, it is content marketing. The content marketing is just like digital marketing. So you can enroll in this course by using the coupon that is provided in the description for free. The next course is basics of machine learning with R. So if you want to get started with the basics of R, then you can enroll in this course by applying the coupon that is provided in the description, and you also get knowledge about machine learning. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe and share with your friends, so that they too can avail the free courses, and and we want your support so that we get highly motivated and do more videos like this. Thank you.